Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of queue on the application of Rapid TV. We click on settings here like this. You will go to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we click on Rapid TV. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.